What's the meaning of chlorofluorocarbon? Chlorofluorocarbon. Chlorofluorocarbon.
Chlorofluorocarbon. Chlorofluorocarbon. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, are a group of chemical compounds that were commonly used in refrigeration, air conditioning, and aerosol sprays. However, the release of CFCs into the atmosphere has been linked to the depletion of the Earth's ozone layer. This layer provides a protective barrier against harmful UV radiation from the sun, and its depletion can lead to increased skin cancer rates, crop damage, and harm to ocean ecosystems. As a result, the production and use of CFCs have been largely phased out through international agreements such as the Montreal Protocol.